Entonces, estamos visitando Weta Workshops.
Ah, buenos días, señor. Oh, él no habla. Tiene mal aliento.
Aunque este es una tienda que vende cosas, realmente es inspiradora para los que siguen El Señor de los Anillos. Porque había bastantes cosas que eran originales y no para la venta. Entonces todo lo que pudimos hacer era mirarlo con boca abierta. Pude gastar horas allá solamente mirando. Bueno, tuvimos que volver al mundo real y seguir nuestra viaje.
Después de un día muy chévere en Weta Workshops, viendo un poco de armadura, pensé en ver un poco de armadura para ti, Bill.
Entonces, es usted quien hizo esa armadura, ¿cierto?
Yes, my name's Chris. I build this stuff, or used to, for fun. This here is a 15th century German Gothic gauntlet. So, for you guys that don't know what it means, it's just spiky and lots of lines and flutes and stuff, which makes it really strong. The particular style is German, and rather nasty if you happen to get hit with it in the face with it.
Y todo está hecho a mano, ¿cierto?
Yes, lots and lots of hours of hammer work. Each piece is probably hit about 1,000 times. So,
¿Y este es solo una pieza?
yes, all these knuckles are one piece. There is no welds, no joins, nothing. The only joints you can see are between the plates, which are riveted in the corners, which allow for movement. There's slots in there, which allow for it to close and maneuver like that, and also allow for this.
Wow.
So it just allows for expansion and contraction as you move your hand. It is essentially a giant exoskeleton.
Es realmente asombroso. Bien hecho.
Yeah.